If you woke up feeling stiff, foggy, or like your body just hasn't switched on yet, this flow is your reset button. From fingertips to spine to hips, let's hit the mat. Let's start where most people forget, but where so much tension lives, your wrists. Extend one arm straight in front of you, palm facing down. With the opposite hand, gently pull the fingers back towards you. Hold. Then flip the hand, palm up, and gently press fingertips downward. Half your tension today will trace back to how you grip your phone, mouse, or steering wheel. This is where we unravel that. Beginners, stay seated, arm bent. Advanced stretches, perform while standing, arm fully extended for deeper fascial release. Wrist mobility influences shoulder tension and posture more than you'd expect. Hold it for 5 more seconds. Switch arms. That just freed your grip. Now let's untangle your neck. Stress always shows up here first. Sit or stand tall. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Slowly roll your chin down across your chest and over to the other side. Keep breathing as you move gently from side to side. Feel that cracking? That's your body asking for movement it's been missing. Beginners, keep range small and controlled. Advanced stretches, add a slight pause at each tie point. The average adult carries 10 to 15 pounds of tension in their neck before they even notice. Are you holding tension or holding your breath? That just released the pressure up top. Now let's expand your chest. This is the posture reset most people skip, but you won't. Clasp your hands behind your back or hold a towel if needed. Pull your hands back and down as you lift your chest and roll your shoulders back. Keep your chin slightly tucked to lengthen the neck. You've been curling inward for hours. This brings you back to strength. Beginners, do this seated, gripping your chair. Advanced stretches, fold forward at the hips while holding the clasp for more intensity. A tight chest silently pulls your posture out of alignment and draining energy with every breath. Breathe in. Can you feel your ribs expand? That just opened your lungs. Now let's create length through your side body. Now we stretch with your disc sharp compressed. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Reach your right arm overhead and bend gently to the left. Engage your core, keep your hips grounded. Feel the stretch from your fingertips all the way to your outer hip. Beginners, place the lower hand on your hip for support. Advanced stretches, keep both arms overhead and extend the reach. Side bending unlocks spinal hydration. Yes, your spine drinks. Hold it 5 more seconds and switch. That just rehydrated your spine. Now let's bring it home. Time to anchor everything from head to toe. Stand wide, inhale, then hinge at the hips and reach both hands down towards your toes. Let your head hang heavy, sway gently side to side if it feels good. This move stretches your entire posterior chain and grounds your energy. Beginners, bend knees slightly and reach to mid-shin. Advanced stretches, reach for the floor or hook your fingers under your feet. Flexibility isn't about being bendy, it's about being unblocked. Let go. Just 5 more seconds. Drop into it.